My name is Liesl Baker, and today I'll be talking about green pea galaxies. How did they get their name? What are they? And why are they significant to the formation of the early universe? Not only are they some of the oldest galaxies thought to be observed by scientists, but their formation helped take the universe out of its age of complete darkness. The first green peas were spotted by an amateur astronomer in 2007 during a project by Galaxy Zoo, who saw these small, round green galaxies which intrigued scientists because they were low mass, low metallic content, and high star production. These first green peas that were observed were measured to be too close to be that old. With the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists were able to observe a trio of green pea galaxies that were dated at about 700 million years after the Big Bang, or at about 5% of the universe's current age. They don't look green like the ones that were observed in the local universe, but that's due to the redshift, the cosmological redshift of the universe. Now that we have observed these green pea galaxies, why are they significant to the early formation of the universe? Right after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely bright and hot, but all the light was trapped in this dense cloud of plasma, and the universe was completely opaque. Here at about 380,000 years is when the universe cooled enough for the first atoms to form, and a dense cloud of hydrogen atoms covered the universe, still making it fairly opaque. Eventually, these hydrogen atoms started getting more and more dense in certain areas, which then collapsed onto each other to create stars and galaxies, and this is when the green peas were formed. The green pea galaxies then started dissipating the hydrogen gas, making the universe clear and see-through. After the universe had cooled enough to form this giant cloud of hydrogen atoms, it was sort of like if you're in a room that's filled with fog from a fog machine and you want to see the light show of this rave that you're at, right? But the fog is filling up the room and the light is being absorbed by the fog. Now imagine that every person in the room, as they're breathing and moving and the windows get opened, all of these are ways that kind of dissipate the fog. So this is kind of how the green pea galaxies worked. The hydrogen fog was everywhere, but since the green pea galaxies had a high rate of star production, the stars were collapsing into nuclear fusion and using this hydrogen gas as fuel. As the nuclear fusion continued, the stars produced heavier and heavier metals, eventually giving birth to all the material in the universe today. Thank you for watching my presentation on green pea galaxies.